Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough for how to access the key elements of our course. Scooch this over so it's not in the way. I can't get rid of it. All right, so here is what our course homepage should look like. If you've gotten to this video, you've managed to get here, so you are succeeding in Canvas. I have the course set up where any announcements I make will always pop up right at the top of your course here. So I might do announcements when it's time to do course evals, if for any reason an assignment is changed, a due date is changed, if I post an additional lecture video, anything of that nature. So our most recent announcements will always be up here, or you can always click this announcements button right here. Now, to start off, I have created a shortcut to some course information. You can click that, and you'll see a recap of the discussion board guidelines for all of our discussion boards, along with a reminder of the rubric I'm going to use. I will always mark any of your point losses on this rubric. So before you send me an email asking me, why did I only get 10 points on this week's discussion? Please, please, please check out the rubric and see if you're able to see there why you missed what you missed. You are always welcome to email me with additional follow-up questions, but I try to make it where you always understand why you've lost points. So I will use these rubrics consistently throughout the semester, so make sure you check that out. There's a tab for your assignment information. All the assignments are based on the readings, the videos, and the learning activities. Assignments are not submitted late unless you have a documented reason or extenuating circumstance. And as I've explained elsewhere, you will have 2 opportunities to complete each assignment. The second one, you can correct what you missed the first time around for half credit. I have a shortcut link here that summarizes what you're going to be doing for your final paper. If you click on this final paper page, I have provided, or nope, it's not there. The final paper page in the modules, I've actually provided a sample paper for you. I'll click through that here in a little bit. And then the semester grading. This is just a recap of how I'm going to weight the course. Your discussions are going to be 30% of your grade. Your assignments are going to be 40%. The midterm quiz is 10%. The final paper is 20%. Your initial discussion will always be due Thursday at midnight, and your 2 replies will be due Sunday by midnight. All assignments are due Sunday by midnight. The midterm quiz is due July 3rd, right before our summer break. Your final paper is due August 5th. So let's get back to our course homepage here. You can shortcut to the syllabus right here and scroll through any information you might need. It's linked to a Google Doc. I have a little instructor page if you want to know any more about me. And then here is a shortcut link to the modules. Canvas is brand new to Drury, so here is a shortcut link if you're having a hard time navigating Canvas. Here's an introduction page if you would like to introduce yourself via discussion board. Now, must-do items. You must click through all these items to unlock the course. I am providing virtual office hours via Discord. You can click on this link and see how to install that and get a part of our server and be able to get my attention on there if you need to chat about something. We are using a piece of software called PSPP. This page will show you how to install that. I'm going to ask you to view the discussion post guidelines as well as the final paper guidelines so that you understand what we're doing this semester. And then here's the syllabus understanding quiz that you must take and get 100% on before the course will unlock. A couple other key features I want you to see. I have our weeks set up with the chapters. We are covering 2 chapters per week. We're moving fast in this class. There's no way around it. Please make sure you have the time to set aside to this course. There are lecture videos each week. There's a lot of reading each week. So each page, what you're going to see is your reading assignment for that chapter, which of our course learning objectives that chapter covers, as well as a link to the discussion board and the assignment that goes along with that chapter. So you can click to everything from this main chapter page. I also link my lecture videos down here. Please watch the lecture videos. I didn't make those because I enjoy hearing myself talk about statistics. I really am trying to help explain some of this better. So each one of those chapters has a chapter homepage. You are welcome to work ahead, but I do have it set up where you must complete the module before in order to move on if you're going to be working ahead. If you scroll down here to the final project chapter on final paper resources, I have provided you an annotated and color-coded copy of the final paper guidelines that go along with like a color-coded final paper, and that I wrote as an example, so you can see what it is I'm looking for. One last helpful thing I wanted to show you about Canvas that I would highly recommend you use is if you come over here, you'll see a calendar. What this calendar does, you can highlight whichever courses you want to be active. So you can choose, if you don't want all your classes, you don't have to have all of them active. But what you can do is come over here and it'll show you all of your due dates coming up for all of your classes. So obviously it's populated ours for this course. That's the only summer course I'm teaching. But it'll show you everything you have coming up, and you can get all of your classes on here. I also believe that there is a way to sync this with iCal, but you would have to look that up, or with your Google Calendars. But so this is just a really helpful tool to see what you're doing where. I believe that that is all of the key information you need for the Canvas walkthrough of our course to be able to find anything you need. I have a shortcut here for the virtual office hours. This will hop you into our Discord room. If you've never used Discord, it is very easy to figure out. If you're having a hard time navigating Canvas, I also did a shortcut to some text-based links here where you can find specifically what it is that you're looking for. So that is a summary for how to navigate our course. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and I will talk to all of you soon.